Hey, I'm Brian Van, sportbiketrackgear.com. Kind of done with my shop project, and we're going to give you all a look, and you can let me know how I did. Okay, so we're going to begin up here in the mezzanine of my shop area. I remember when Clark shot the video, the first one, talking about a remodel. He took great pleasure in showing everybody what a mess this was up here. So I thought I'd show you the progress that we've made. The shit's all picked up. A lot of things got thrown out that were just junk. They were done. I got my wife's hard tops back on her Jeep, which is basically, right, the new mom minivan, if you really get down to it. Jeeps used to be cool, but now they're not. They're mom's minivan. Got the shelves all sorted out. Here's our spare parts for the Suzuki 750 race bikes. Yeah, we sold a couple of bike parts. I got a little work to do over here. I got some stands that I need to give away. We don't use those. We used them in a video. Over here, this is just straightened up. Overall, I would give myself, if I was a teacher, I would say you get a B+ upstairs. Okay, so now here we are on the lower level of the shop. Pretty big changes. I think it looks good. Here's the R7 Project Bike. We're actually going to sell this, so if you want to get yourself a great track bike, we'll have another video talking about this thing being for sale. But down here, just kind of cleaned up. I need to clean up the toolboxes a little bit, probably get rid of this green one. I think I'm tired of looking at that. That was back when we were racing Ninja 400. That used to be green too, but it ate itself. I hung this up on the wall. This is the lid from that green general toolbox. These are all of Max's tech stickers from Moto America for a couple of full seasons that we did there. I think that's pretty cool. So I cut the lid off the top of the box. We're going to save it. And then over here, right, these are the cabinets I bought. These are new age cabinets. You know, all of that was about $3,500. So it's a really affordable storage space. What do I think of the quality? I mean, for sure, this is some Chinesium shit. I'm not going to bullshit you. It's reasonable gauge steel. Overall, I'm happy with the way it turned out. And for the type of use that we're going to put it through, it just didn't make, in my mind, a lot of sense to spend a tremendous amount of money on the cabinetry. So I'm happy with that. Up on the top, I think this is the coolest thing. We took some of our crashed race bodywork, right? 2 sets over here on my left. Those are from the M4 X-Star Vision Wheel Suzuki team that we raced on this year, 2025. One is the 40th anniversary set. That's sick. One is the standard black set. And then, of course, I got a crash set from our 2024 campaign, right? That's been crashed on. That was rashed up on both sides. But whatever, I think it looks good. I made some supports up there, you know, to hold the bodywork up, and they're actually bolted to the top of the cabinets. Of course, we're representing White Claw. Our dream has always been to be White Claw Suzuki. We have not yet realized that, but we are still working towards it. The most interesting man in the world, they replaced him with a younger model. I think that's kind of fucked up. It's ageism, it's not right. So he'll forever live up there. And there's a flag that a good friend of mine, John, flew for us, sent us. That'll be up there on the cabinets. We got our 750s over here. I used to have these 2 big shelves here. One of them is over here, much better organized, okay? Another one, we just moved it to a different spot in the warehouse. Come back over here, I've got my little golf simulator area there's the monitor, right? Trying not to suck at golf as much. It's working out pretty okay. A couple of dirt bikes, pit bikes here. Here's our next project bike. Got a bunch of parts in for that now. We're going to start working on that pretty soon. Air compressor in the back corner. I don't know, man. I think I did pretty good. I think the coolest part, in my opinion, that bodywork up there, might be just a little bit proud of that. I thought that was a pretty creative way to memorialize, you know, what we've done over the past couple of years. Racing in super sport, we had a great time. And every time I look up there, I think about all the fun we had. Over here, I got my new sled. I got a sled lift that I just bought. I'm not gonna roll around on the ground anymore. I think it's pretty cool. Be working on that next. So there you have it. There's more to come. I feel like there's a couple areas like that over there in the corner. That's not great. Not great. Over there, could be better done. I'm gonna work towards it. Thanks for watching.